Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your email address on Instagram account. So let's get right into it. So first thing you're gonna do is open your Instagram. Then you may have a new email or there may be other reason why you want to go and change on Instagram, but don't worry, I'll show you how. And if you didn't know, things are recently changing with Instagram and Facebook settings. So I'll explain everything. So we're already on the Instagram. Now what you want to do is open your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then what you want to do is press the three lines like a hamburger icon on the upper right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then press on Account Center. So you'll be redirected to this account center. Then press on Personal Details. Now here you can see the contact info. Press on that. Then here, what you want to do is just click here to add new contact. Now choose add email address. And here, as you can see, it says we'll use this email address across all of your accounts in Account Center to personalize experience such as connecting people and improving ads on the product. Now just put the new email address here. And then choose the accounts for the email. And let's choose the Instagram. And as you can see, there's a note that adding this email address will replace the current email on the Instagram account. So just press next. And that will be change. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!